Alright, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to pick up some college algebra here, and we're going to be talking about how to find the equation of a circle. So we're just asked to find the standard form for the equation of a circle with a diameter that has the following endpoints: -3, -9, and 10, -2. So we need the equation of the circle is what we need. So we need the form for that, which I'll quickly just write down here so you can see it. Alright, so remember the equation of a circle, that's going to be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where r is the radius. Okay. Alright. So the first thing we need is the diameter. So remember the diameter, which will denote lowercase d, that's the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay. Now if we go to the following endpoints that we have, which are -3, -9, and what's the other one? 10 to -2. Well, this would be x sub 1, y sub 1. This would be x sub 2 and y sub 2. So it's really just a substitution process, a plug and chug process rather. You do have to be careful though with the sign changes, so be careful with that. So it looks like we'll have 10 minus -3 squared plus -2 minus -9 squared, which would give us the square root of, that's basically going to be 13 squared plus, this is going to give me, it's going to be -7 squared. And we do the simplification. I know 13 squared is 169, but again, I'm going to plug in, make sure that my answer comes out to being correct. No, it's +7, not -7. So this is going to be the square root of 169 plus 49, but that's what I'm actually going to plug in the calculator. So you get 169 plus 49, which is 218. So it's actually going to be the square root of 218, which would be our diameter. So we can say that d here is going to be the square root of 218. That's the diameter. Okay. Okay. So don't be afraid to go check your work. Okay. All right. So now that we got that out of the way, remember for the equation of the circle, the center is going to be the h and the k. So the center is h comma k. Hopefully you remember that. And so what we need is we need to find the center. So that's what we need. We need to find our center, which is h comma k. Okay. And we do that by basically using the midpoint formula. So we need h comma k. So for h comma k, that's just going to be equal to, well, it'd just be x sub 1 plus x sub 2 all divided by 2, comma, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 all divided by 2. So if we substitute in, we'll get -3 plus 10 all divided by 2, comma, -9 minus 2 all divided by 2. And this will give us our center h comma k. So in that case, looks like we'll get h comma k, and it looks like we're going to get 7 over 2, comma, -11 over 2, which as a decimal just a decimal, 7 over 2, that's 3.5, and negative 11 over 2, that's negative 5.5. Again, I will check just to make sure it is not out of the realm of possibility for me to be wrong sometimes. Yeah, I think 5.5. All right, so the reason why we needed that is because, remember, for the equation of the circle, we needed h and we needed k. Okay, so our equation of the circle, we need our final answer here. Let me just quickly check my calculations here. The square root of, oops, sorry, so we got the, yeah, okay, so remember, for the radius, this is what I forgot to mention up here at the top. The radius is half the diameter, so I'm going to take the square root of 218 and divide it by 2. We get 7.38. So that would actually be the radius in this case. I forgot to mention that at the beginning. So the equation of the circle here looks like it's just going to give us So it looks like our equation of the circle is going to be x minus 3.5 squared plus y plus 5.5, because negative 5.5, there was already a minus in the formula, if you remember. And that's going to be squared. And that's equal to r squared. Remember, the radius is half the diameter, so that would be 7.38 squared. That'll be the equation of the circle. And that's your answer. Alright, so if you guys had any questions about how I got my answer, please let me know. We can talk about it. But I will see you guys next time.